Employee management, the main aspects. Introduction. Managing employees is important in every organization since it monitors productivity via the utilization of resources. This essay focuses on 7 aspects: the cultural and historical impacts of a region on labor relations, how industry sector features influence workers' issues, risks of ignoring workers' problems, and benefits of addressing workers' issues. This essay also outlines the approaches for effective management of workers' cases, how organizations could approach workers' needs, and the management of workers in a developed and a developing country. Having good leadership and employee relations is good since it contributes to the success of a business. How a region's culture and history impact labor relations. A region with a positive culture attracts workers' performance, satisfaction, happiness, engagement, and talent. A strong culture enhances employee comprehension of what other workers expect them to do and their goals. A region's history determines how people get attracted to its work opportunities. Workers perceive an area with a good record as offering more value, which makes workers loyal. In contrast, a poor history has high liquidity risks, which impact the market and stock of the area, customer losses, poor employee retention, and difficulty in recruiting new talents. How industry sector features influence workers' issues. Organizational characteristics originate from the management prototype used by an association through its strategies and culture it embodies in its relationships and membership. Therefore, the features of a firm impact workers' challenges in universal supply chains by affecting their motivation and performance. Additionally, companies with great characteristics enhance employee behaviors by imparting quality management activities, enabling effective implementation. However, companies with poor features discourage employee diversity and their performance. Risks of ignoring workers' issues. Companies are jeopardized when they ignore workers' challenges include bad reputation, attrition, loss of brand service, and revenues, profits, business failure, and unsatisfied customers. Once the challenges facing workforce are not taken care of, the staff may fail to meet customer needs, contributing to dissatisfied workers. When laborers are not satisfied with what they get from a given business, they migrate to a competitor business, impacting profit and revenue generation. In addition, ignoring employee issues damages a company's reputation because of employee feedback concerning how companies ignore their challenges. Benefits of addressing workers' issues. Addressing employee challenges ensures better collaboration, enhanced quality monitoring, a high effectiveness rate, reduced costs, enhanced risk mitigation, and cash flow. Collaborating with supply chain partners creates room for working as a team for better transparency of the supply chain, and high environmental and ethical standards, and ensures good supply chain leverage for positive changes. Quality control ensures the company's reputation is protected, and better supply input control attracts fewer return risks and dangerous product failures. Approaches for effective management of workers' issues. The approaches managers use to manage the issues influencing workers crossways the supply chain include investing in worker development, having an effective supply chain, and adapting to new technologies. Employee development involves mentoring, rotating, coaching, and training workers through different training and assignments depending on the scenario modeling. All these enable workers to comprehend how they should address the issues and how they impact their workplace. Continuous improvement ensures managers evaluate and monitor the well-being of workers often. How organizations could approach workers' needs. To approach the needs of workers, an organization needs to be fair, maintain the safety of workers, maintain welcoming company culture, provide development, and personalize worker needs since every worker has a different urge for needs. Dispersing competitive financial compensations ensures the physiological part of workers is fully satisfied. Organizations should offer comprehensive advantages to workers to satisfy their safety requirements. Creating a welcoming culture ensures the employees meet their belonging needs, romantic relationships, family, social integration, and friendship. Management of workers in a developed and a developing country. managing employees in developing countries entails managing their diversity dynamics and complexity, accommodating different stakeholders, motivating workers, and assessing their performance. In contrast, management of workers in developed countries entails imparting knowledge and training employees, succession procedure training, involving employees in decision-making, motivating them, and responding to their feedback. Among the similarities of developing and developed countries management is that both countries encourage employees to enhance their productivity and train their workers before allocating them jobs. Conclusion. Precisely, having a good regional history ensures more business chances, and low market costs, attracts more labor, promotes good labor relations, and attracts more customers. An organization with better characteristics enhances its success by ensuring they meet employee and customer requirements. Ignoring worker needs may contribute to the failure of a business, since there will be a shortage of revenues as a result of dissatisfied customers who will no longer return to promote the company. Improving the management of the supply chain provides more returns, since shipping is optimal. Organizations should ensure employee needs are met by giving employees enough time to socialize and listen to their suggestions or feedback.